Hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. In the previous class I was discussing about classification of winds, in which there are two types of winds, permanent or invariable winds and variable winds. I have done permanent or invariable winds. Today I am going to discuss about the second type of winds, variable winds. There are four types of variable winds. First, seasonal winds, local winds, mountain and valley breezes, land and sea breezes. Let's first see local winds. Local winds. Local winds also called non-periodical winds, and mainly there are some types of local winds like Chinook, Sirocco, Harmattan, Mistral, Bora and Blizzard. Let's first the classification of local winds. Chinook, Sirocco, Harmattan, Mistral, Bora and Blizzard. Here is types of local winds: Chinook, Sirocco, Harmattan, Mistral, Bora and Blizzard. Let's first see Chinook local winds. After all, where Chinook blows? Chinook local winds. Before discussing about Chinook local winds, first let's see this figure. Here is a mountain. Here is a mountain, and this is eastern slope of mountain, and this is western slope of mountain. Western slope of mountain. What happens when winds coming towards the western slope? Towards the western slope, that is called, this western slope called windward slope. Windward slope, or you can say that the ground slope or mountain slope which facing the wind is called windward slope. Is called windward slope. This is windward slope. Here the western slope is windward slope. Windward slope. And the eastern slope is leeward slope. Leeward slope are opposite to that slope which are facing the wind, called leeward slope. Chinook, mainly Chinook flows in USA, or we can say that the warm and local winds, which blows on the eastern slope or leeward side of the mountain, called Chinook in USA, and found in Switzerland. Here is Switzerland, found in Switzerland. And let's see about Chinook local winds. Chinook is a warm and dry local winds. Warm and dry winds. And Chinook also called snow eater in USA. Chinook, also called snow eater in USA, because it helps the melting of ice. Because it helps in the melting of ice. Helps in melting of ice earlier. Melting of snow earlier. And during winter season, the North America becomes very cold, and North America becomes very cold and frozen. But when Chinook arrives in North America, it helps to increase the temperature. And it helps also to sowing the wheat earlier in winter season. Sowing wheat earlier in USA during winter season. Chinook also helps in sowing wheat earlier in USA during winter season. It is all about Chinook local winds. Let's see Sirocco local winds. Sirocco is also warm, dry and dusty wind. Mainly it blows in the Sahara Desert. From northwest to northerly direction. Warm and dusty winds. Sirocco is warm and dusty winds flows in northerly direction. In Sahara Desert. And after flows in northerly direction, it reaches Spain and Italy. And when it flows towards the eastern direction, it picks up much moisture from Mediterranean Sea and yield rainfall in Italy with red sand. It is called blood rain in southern Italy. Here is Italy. Southern Italy due to presence of red sand. Blood rain in southern Italy. It is about Sirocco local winds which blows in Sahara Desert toward northerly direction. Sirocco is warm dusty winds flows in northerly direction in Sahara Desert and reaches Spain and Italy, and it yield rainfall in Italy and cold blood rain in southern Italy. It is about Sirocco. Let's see Harmattan local winds. Harmattan. Harmattan is also warm local winds and it flows from northeast to west in Sahara Desert. Warm local winds flows from northeast to west in Sahara Desert. And what happened, the western coast of Sahara becomes very unpleasant and injurious for human health. But after arrivals of Harmattan local winds, the western part of Sahara becomes pleasant for human health. Western part of Sahara becomes unpleasant, but after its arrival becomes pleasant. Hence it is called Harmattan, also called Doctor on Guinea coast. Here is Guinea coast. Called Doctor. Called Doctor on Guinea coast. Guinea coast. Here is Guinea coast and Harmattan called Doctor on Guinea coast. On Guinea coast. It is about Harmattan local winds. Harmattan is warm local winds and it flows northeast to west in Sahara Desert, and it also called Doctor on Guinea coast. Let's see Mistral local winds. Mistral is a cold local winds. Mistral is a cold local winds and blows in Spain and France. Here is Spain and here is France. Mistral blows in Spain and France from northwest to southeast. Mistral is warm local winds. Mistral is cold local winds. Cold local winds blows from northwest to southeast in Spain and France. Northwest to southeast in Spain and France. Spain and France. The average velocity of Mistral local winds is 56 to 64 km प्रति आवर. Average velocity of Mistral becomes 56 to 64 km per hour. It is about Mistral local winds, that is called local winds, and blows from northwest to southeast in Spain and France. Average velocity 56 to 64 km per hour. Here Mistral blows northwest to southeast in Spain and France. After all, let's see about Bora local winds. Bora is also cold winds and flows from northeast to southwest from mountains towards the eastern shore of Adriatic Sea. Here is Adriatic Sea. Adriatic Sea. Here is Adriatic Sea. Adriatic Sea situated on the eastern coast of Italy. Bora is cold local winds. And flows from mountains to eastern shore of Adriatic Sea. It is about Bora local winds. Bora is a cold local winds and flows from mountains to eastern shore of Adriatic Sea. And also Bora becomes active in southern Italy or in northern Italy. After descending from Alps mountain. Here is Alps mountain. After descending from the northern slope of Alps mountain. Becomes active in northern Italy. After descending from northern slope of Alps mountain. Bora becomes active in Italy after descending from northern slope of Alps mountain. It is about Bora local winds. Let's see blizzard local winds. Blizzard is also a cold polar winds. Blizzard is also cold, violent and polar winds. Cold, violent and polar winds. Blizzard is cold, violent and polar winds and it blows mainly in northern and southern regions. Flows in northern poles and southern poles region, and blizzards are most prevalent in USA, Siberia and Canada. Blizzards are most prevalent in USA, Siberia and Canada. It is about blizzard local winds. I forgot some points in Sirocco local winds which blows in Sahara Desert from towards the northern direction. Sirocco, also called Khamsin in Egypt. Sirocco, mainly there are different names of Sirocco local winds in Africa, called Khamsin in Egypt. Here is Egypt, first number Egypt, and called Ghibli in Libya. Here is Libya, and Chile in Tunisia. Here is Tunisia, and also called Simum in Arabian Desert. Here is Arabian Desert. Here it is called Simum. Sirocco called Simum, and it is all about non-periodical winds. After that, let's see periodical winds. In periodical winds, land and sea bridges,